Okay, it's day 5. I'm going to get right into it because I got a lot to do today, including a live stream and a training session for some people. So it's going to be as short as possible today. What we have to do is, according to Gemini, is where am I? Switching the screen. Okay, so basically the time for building is over. You have a finished A+ grade product. That remains to be seen. Do not add or change anything else within the template. Your attention must now pivot entirely to crafting the marketing message. So your next command should be to build the Gumroad sales page and create the ad creatives. Now this context is getting mighty big. So here's what I'm going to do. I will continue this in a new chat. What I want you to do is provide a complete and thorough summary of this chat thread. To brief yourself on the project in full, all the steps in the plan, the current status, and what the remaining steps are. Basically, you are handing this project off to another instance of yourself. So be thorough so you don't mess anything up or skip anything important to write. All right, that's it. Oh, crap. I did it in Canvas, and I didn't want to do it in Canvas. Let's see if it just does it right here. Once I get this done, I will open a new chat, paste this in, and say, let's continue. And this is just a way to avoid hallucination, because sometimes when the chat is just too long, it starts to freak out and lose its mind. All right. This is correct. This is correct. This is all correct. Current projects, remaining steps, path to launch. Sales copy. Okay, this is good. All right, so I am going to copy this. And I'm going to create a new chat, paste it in, and put it in and see what it says, because it didn't actually say let's continue or anything. Oh, this is analyzing things. Oh, because it's missing the... Okay. So the initial plan was to launch the $7 product as sort of a intro offer that then we create and upsell a premium healthy skin digital offer, a digital product. Do you not have... Oh, you wouldn't have. So this is top of funnel, and once this product is launched and ads running, we will work on creating the premium higher ticket item which we will market via email to the purchasers of the $7 template. Clear? Okay, so it's having me rethink some things. Before launching the ad campaign for the $7 product, you must define a key variables for the premium product.
Oh, okay. I apologize for that. Yeah, very.
Projected percentage of. Okay, good and heavy duty into metrics. I like this. This is why I did a new thread, because it kind of starts. It gets tunnel vision after a while. Any LLM does this. After a while, it's focusing only on the most recent context, and it kind of forgets the earlier stuff. I don't care how big the context window supposedly is. This is what, in my experience, happens all the time. Okay, so well, then we need to create the premium product. I will paste in some of the earlier chat threads between myself and Gemini. Did I use Claude? ChatGPT, etc. So you can see some of the original thinking and amend as needed. One of the things I was going to do, and I said not to, because I'm like, well, if Gemini has already decided that this is good, I'm going to listen to Gemini. I was going to take the product that we finalized yesterday and give it to Claude Opus 4 and also ChatGPT, like 03, and have them criticize the product. But I was like, you know what? I'm kind of overthinking things. Let me launch. And if something needs to be tweaked because things aren't moving well, then I'll have the other LLMs critique it. So for right now, I'm just going to keep this product as is, but I'm going to now work on the premium product so that it kind of aligns. I like what Gemini did here. It had me kind of think the entire process through. Once the micro offer is launched, how does that flow into the premium product? And if we don't even have a premium product defined, it's going to be kind of hard to do that. So let's go. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to try to find the actual thing where we figured out kind of this main strategy. This is why I like data dumps and just having stuff, either Notebook LM or just a doc. Basically, every day, either Gemini or ChatGPT gave like a summary of the plan. Gemini right now has no idea what that is because I started a new thread, so I'm data dumping all that, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, Gemini has reviewed it, and it says the exact premium product is already defined. We're calling it the Glow Up Expansion Pack, $27. 5 additional architect templates, educational cheat sheet, video tutorials. So it's saying the next action is to build the 3 components of the $27 Glow Up Expansion Pack. Do we do this before launching the $7 offer and running ads? Like, do we launch first and build the product while we test the performance of the $7 offer and ads, or do we design the premium product first? The reason I ask is I am not sure if we should invest time in creating a premium product if we don't have any success with the initial offer. And that is my hesitation. Like, I don't want to go spend another 3 days making the premium thing and the PDF and videos if nobody wants a $7 offer. The other consideration is, well, if I don't have the premium offer already, the person buys the first template. I mean, is time and speed of making that premium offer of the essence. In other words, once they buy the $7 thing, do I need to hit them immediately with buy this now? Let's see. Or is it necessary to hit the customer who buys the $7 offer with the premium offer immediately so they can impulse buy? The initial plans showed to launch the SLO, self-liquidating offer first, and then we develop the premium offer while getting the SLO sales. Please advise. Previous plans contain 2 different sequences. The most recent detailed plans are superior. Build the premium product first. Do not run ads until the full funnel is complete. Okay, so we're switching gears. And here's the reasoning. You must capture impulse. That's what I figure. Customers most likely to make a second purchase immediately after their first one. Yes, this is very true. It's been my experience forever. So that's why I questioned it. And, I have to get over my fear of, I guess, investing too much time into something which could lead to nowhere, because, that's the risk of doing business, right? Okay. So automated one-click upsell on the confirmation page captures this peak buying temperature. Correct. Once you already buy at $7 and you get the confirmation, it's like immediately upsell. You're going to capture a few more sales. Like, I don't know what the percentage would be, even if it's 5%. That's a easy way to boost that revenue without having to now hit them with an email later on. Okay. Oh, it says right here, conversion rates for immediate upsells are drastically higher, 10-30%, than for offers made via email. Exactly what I was just saying. I should have just read this out loud. 3 to 5%. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to go for the successful action. We're going to build out the entire thing. Your ad spend is based on it. Your decision to accept the $4 cost per purchase is based on a financial model that includes a $27 upsell. Okay, to validate that model, the upsell must be part of the test. Running ads without the upsell in place and validates your LTV. Okay, we are going data-driven marketing and sales here. The risk of wasted time is low. True. It is not a monumental task. It is just me and time. It's not like I'm hiring 300 people to develop this thing, which could go nowhere. Like making a movie, right? That might not attract any audience. This is, a couple more days before I fully launch. I'm willing to risk that. 5 more Notion pages, a skill you have mastered. I wouldn't say mastered, but I'm okay. 1 PDF cheat sheet and 5 short videos. And I'm wondering if I should tap into one of my influencers in the skincare niche. I'll see. This is a finite, manageable workload. The risk of losing thousands of dollars of potential upsell revenue by not having it ready is far greater than the risk of spending 1 to 2 days building it. The plan has evolved from the initial concept. All right, directive: build a $27 glow up expansion pack. Set up the full funnel on Gumroad with immediate one-click upsell. Then and only then launch the ads. Okay, so I have my directive, and because now this is just going to involve building more things, I can end this video and end off day 5 on a strong point. again, because this is not a Notion tutorial. This is a using AI to create a business tutorial, and you don't need to see the minutia of me going, how do I build this another stupid Notion page? So this is going to be it for today. I'll brief you guys tomorrow on the progress. If anything, substantial happens today, I'll let you know. But otherwise, this is it. Day 5 is done for the purposes of the video. Now I got to get to work. Peace.